My most favorite lesson is English.
Science, computing, because we get to do games.
PE. I love how we get to interact with many different sports.
I enjoy martial arts because you get to learn self-defense with your friends.
Nestled within the serene beauty of Dempsey's lush greenery, Invictus International School emerges as an educational oasis dedicated to nurturing young minds. Our campus, situated on a historic site and embraced by vibrant foliage, creates a picturesque setting for our academic endeavours and hands-on explorations. At Invictus International Dempsey, we embrace students from every corner of the globe, celebrating diversity in nationality, race and beliefs. Our commitment to equality shines through in our fair and unbiased admissions process, ensuring that every student has an equal chance to thrive.
In the world of education, teachers and students are the dynamic duo shaping the learning experience. With a team of almost 30 educators equipped with the knowledge of the Cambridge curriculum and a passion for teaching, our students gain a holistic approach to learning.
It isn't always like workbook. It's always like, okay, you don't understand, I'll explain this to you through a game.
Sometimes they let us engage in fun activities such as making posters, doing origami, and much more.
I belong in Thailand. Even we always lose, we don't feel upset.
At Invictus, we are committed to the belief that every child deserves an equal opportunity to thrive. Recognising the diverse needs of our students as they navigate the complexities of school life, social interactions and personal growth, we introduce our Personalised Learning Programme, known as PLP. This programme establishes a strong support network for students, addressing academic, emotional, physical and developmental challenges they may encounter on their unique educational path.
I joined the Eco Council because I love nature.
I joined the Student Council because I love this school and I wanted to make the school a better place.
PSHE is more of a lesson where we think about ourselves, our community, our friends, our teachers, and basically people who we know. The lessons we have in school helps us a lot in our daily lives,
even outside of the school.
Without our core values, I don't think I'm going to be the person who I am.
Here at Invictus Dempsey, we nurture each individual in an innovative and inspiring manner.
The school makes me very happy.
Happy as the sun.
This is a big part of my life now. Every day I leave this school with a huge smile on my face.
Welcome to the Invictus International School,
where every student's unique journey is valued and supported.
Together, we are Invictus.